A lot of people keep looking to buy a budget category wireless keyboard. Either it be for their PC, laptop, or can be anything. And if you're also looking for something similar, then I have a very useful product to show you all in this video. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Now there are so many keyboards available in the market. You even get for like 1000 rupees. But most of these budget wireless keyboards work on 2.4G dongle system. That means they're like limited. They only work with either PC or laptop. You can't use these with your phones or maybe tabs or these sort of devices. And especially people like me, whenever I'm buying like a brand new product, I want it to be like universally compatible, multi-platform compatible. And that is where I've got like really interesting product to show you all. This is like a super affordable budget category Bluetooth keyboard from Zebronics. So this is what we'll be checking out, guys. It's got multi-platform compatible and has like an ultra slim profile. Look at this keyboard, super slim, right? And also very compact. So this is what we'll be checking out in this video. Let me just quickly unbox and then we'll talk about the design, build quality and all of its features. So our new wireless keyboard from Zebronics comes in this sort of box packaging. Very simple and compact box packaging. You've got the Zebronics branding at the top. Model is K5000MW and we also have a picture of the product on the front. And talking about the main highlights, as I've told you, this is a wireless Bluetooth keyboard and comes with like dedicated multimedia hotkeys as well and has like 79 total keys, that with like good quality UV printed keycaps. So those were some of its main highlights, and as I've told you guys, this keyboard is like multi-platform compatible. We'll talk about all of that as and how we proceed in the video. So as soon as you unbox it, there you go, our brand new Zebronics Bluetooth wireless keyboard. And oh boy, this thing actually looks very compact. Along with that, you get some paperwork in the package and a Type-C cable for charging the keyboard. That is it, guys. These are all the stuff we got in the package. So this keyboard is available in 3 different colors. We have the white color edition, and let me tell you, initial impressions, keyboard looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just look at the profile. It is so slim, compact, and also like super lightweight. You've got the Zebronics logo at the top side, and keyboard has like a very minimalistic design. Love these circular keycaps as well. And as I've told you guys, keyboard only weighs around 382 grams and features like UV printed keycaps. Talking about the compatibility, it works with Windows, Android, iOS, basically any device that supports Bluetooth. Going to the top, you've got a power on off slide switch and a Type-C port for charging the battery. It comes with like an integrated battery, no need to install batteries also. So everything is like good to go out of the box. So what I'll do is I'll quickly connect this thing to my PC and then be right back to continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using this keyboard for the last couple of days and now I'll be sharing like my complete experience about this product. So we've already discussed about the design and the build quality part, right? It's got a very ergonomic design, and on top of that, just look at the design. It's got a very slim, compact and portable form factor, guys. You can easily take it anywhere, throw it in your bag, use it on the go anywhere. And best part is it's like multi-platform compatible. You can use it with any device that supports Bluetooth. You can use it with your smartphones, Android or iOS. You can use it with your tabs, TV, and also PC, laptop. Basically all of these devices are covered. And best part is Zebronics also is offering you like a quick switch mechanism, and you can pair at a time like 3 devices, guys, and you can easily switch between them using these hotkeys present at the top side. For example, you've connected this keyboard to your phone, your TV, and also your PC. Then just by pressing this F1, F2, F3 button at the top, now you can easily switch between these devices like on the go, guys. I felt that functionality was like very handy and useful. And apart from that, if you ask about the build quality of the keyboard is very good. Body is like made of polycarbonate only, but I do have to mention, I felt the keyboard structure is a bit delicate because it's got like a very slim profile, right? I mean, look at it, very thin, right? So people usually, now wireless keyboards, a lot of people use them on their beds, and by mistake if somebody sits on this keyboard, then I'm not sure if this thing can survive. So be a bit careful about that. And talking about the quality of the keys and keycaps, basically Zebronics has given us like good quality UV coated keycaps. You've got like circular keycaps, and since they are UV coated, printing on the keycaps also won't fade away that easily. Now comes the main part, how is the switch quality and basically the whole typing experience on this keyboard. Now, first of all, let me tell you, Zebronics is offering you like scissor type switches on this particular model, and scissor switches are slightly different than your membrane switches, guys. So basically, scissor switches have like an X interlock sort of arrangement, and whenever you press keycaps, this sort of movement happens. So benefit of having scissor keys is they offer a super low profile feel, just like chiclet keyboards on laptops. Typing experience was good, ergonomic design, keyboard offered a comfortable experience during my usage. Key travel was short and keys were making very minimum noise. Just listen to this sound. Talking about the durability, switch durability is also good. The brand says that these offer around 5 million key press lifespan, but we'll have to see about that. One thing it did miss was there were no angle adjustment stands on the bottom, and I really wish the keyboard had some sort of backlighting as well. White LED lighting would have been perfect. But anyways, on the overall for this price point, I was quite satisfied with the results. Now let me tell you about the battery life. Keyboard comes with a built-in rechargeable battery, so you don't need to worry about changing and replacing batteries all the time. And Zebronics actually says that one charge will offer you almost like 5 to 6 months of battery life. That is like insane, guys. I don't know if it will really work for 5 to 6 months, but if it at least works for like 1 month also, now I'll be like super happy and content with it. Again, this is something I'll be able to tell you guys in one of my future videos after using for like longer periods of time. I've only used it for like 1 week, right? And so far everything was fine. And best part is it's got a type C port for charging, guys. So that is one thing I'll have to appreciate. So that is pretty much it. Our video on this super affordable wireless Bluetooth keyboard from Zebronics. Love the look and feel, super slim and compact, multi-platform compatible, good performance and also battery life. Only thing I felt it was lacking was LED backlight option and angle adjustment stands. This thing costs around 1899 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and felt it useful. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.